Now another feature that we have that's been beta tested for the last 2 months, we've got some really good feedback on, is the acquire leads system. So if you go over to contacts and you go down to acquire leads, this is a B2B lead generator where you have access to a map. You can drag the map around, you can drag the little marker around, drop it on a city that you'd like to pull some leads from, and then you can type in any kind of a search term that you'd like, a category of business or the name of a business. So I'm feeling a little hungry, so put pizza in there. And then down below you can choose to create a tag for this specific lead list, but we'll go ahead and skip that for this demonstration. And we'll click on acquire leads at the bottom. So you'll see that we now have the first record that comes up in the list, and we get a preview of their website, and we can actually interact with that website. And then down below we have their name, address, and phone number. And you'll notice the phone number is clickable. So you can connect that to your Google Voice or your Skype, and you don't have to type that number in. It'll just ring straight to you. And then as you're on the phone, you can put down the person's contact information. And then down below you have the callback time calendar picker, where you can set the date and time when you'd like to be reminded to call them back. So the system manages everything for you. And then down below you can put some notes in about the call. We've been testing this system internally with our sales team, and it's been working quite well. So now the green button here, we're going to click that for add to my pipeline. And you can see it takes us right on to the next record. So our salespeople are able to make calls very quickly using the system. So where did that record go? Let's go up to the top where it says the name of the login that we're using, which is demo. We're going to go down to sales. So each salesperson in your team has access to the system, and they have their own pipeline. And so up at the very top, you've got the drop down where the sales manager can log in and take a look at all the different pipelines for all the different sales team. And then we have the records there. We can see the confidence level of closing the deal. We can also see what the projected commission will be. This is a dashboard for your sales team to manage what they're doing. So we'll go ahead and click on one of these leads here. And this is our new CRM. Much easier to use, and it has been configured to be mobile friendly. Yes, one of the number one complaints from 2.0 was the CRM, so we took care of that. And you'll also notice down below there's a timeline. So this is a little mini timeline that references just this one client. So you can see all the interactions that your staff has had with this contact up until the point that they convert into a buyer, at which point you'll be able to see any order history that comes in for that client.